Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, all my Gemini friends. It's your birthday month, and I thought I'll do a special for you to see what this new year is going to bring for you. So, Gems, these are general collective readings, of course, but my intention is to get you a beautiful reading just to kind of check up on what you can expect now in this new year of yours for your health, wealth, and happiness. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, my gems are having their birthday now, already started, and please send them messages that they can really use to have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you. Okay, gems, let's begin. Gemini, health, wealth, and happiness. All right, so gems, okay, so very stable new beginnings are coming for you, that's for sure. I don't know what you guys are planning, but yeah, Geminis use a lot of their brain power, and whatever you're planning is going to be, it's not going to be rash, it's not going to be, you know, crazy. You're going to be thinking about it, and I do see something very stable starting for you now. So before I open these cards for you, Gemini, I'm going to take a Ganesha oracle card. Let's see how my Lord Ganesha is going to bless all my Gemini friends for their birthday. Lord Ganesha, please give, all right, that was quick, and let's see what it says. Beginnings. Did I just not say that, Gemini? Did I just not say that when I was explaining this card to you? Something new is beginning for you. It's going to be stable, it's going to be good, and let's see if there is a message here for you. Beginnings number 18. I'm sure there's a beautiful message here for you as well. So, okay. At the start of every endeavor, you will find Ganesha. This is an indication of new energy on the horizon that brings open-hearted opportunities. Pay attention to where you're going. A new beginning can sometimes have a deeper spiritual significance, encouraging a different consideration or a fresh approach to how you connect with your inner guidance. With awareness comes understanding. One benefit of this new start may be the opportunity to stay true to your own path and guidance. Release the need to try and bring others into your vision. Trust yourself and be willing to do the work needed at this time. Your inspiration is positive. Creativity, finances, and love are flowing just before you. Ask Ganesha to assist you with this new energy and opportunities ahead of you. My God, that's such a beautiful message to get for a birthday, Gemini. That's really sweet. Thank you, Lord Ganesha. And I'm going to take one from my angels as well. My angels, what do you have for my Gemini gang for their birthday? Blessing from you as well. Blessing, safe travel. This doesn't mean you're catching a flight and going somewhere, Gemini. Maybe you could also maybe going out somewhere to celebrate your birthday. But this card actually means that you're moving from one phase of your life to this next phase of your life. So that means it's a new beginning, right? And my angels are saying, don't worry about anything. Like, look at this baby. You are this baby right now, and the angel is carrying you on their back, crossing a little river, but not allowing one toe of yours to get wet. They're going to make it that smooth, this transition from the old to this new beginning. I'm so excited for you. These are really beautiful cards to get, both indicating the same thing. 3 cards, beginning, beginning, beginning. So let's see how your health is going to be doing now for this year, Gemini. The Empress. Should I even open any more? You're sitting here looking beautiful, abundant, taking care of yourself, maybe eating all the royal food like milk and honey and whatever, taking care of yourself. Okay. Eight of Cups. And the Judgment card. Yes, you're walking away from anything that was giving you any kind of unrest, any kind of emotional disturbance also, Gemini, can sometimes lead you to have physical problems. So whatever was unfulfilling or giving you anxiety maybe in the past, you're walking away from all that and you're heading towards, guess what? A new beginning. Judgment card is again a card of new beginning, a restart. It's like rebooting your system. So, and this Empress energy you're coming into because you're walking away from whatever was emotionally disturbing to you. And once you do that, of course, you're going to feel better about yourself. You're going to be glowing. Your skin is shining. You are, you're heading towards a brand new beginning. Let's see. Empress Spirit, why is Gemini now moving into the Empress energy with their health? Because you're moving towards happiness. You're leaving 8 empty cups behind, which were emotionally unhappy, and going looking for those 2 cups which are going to add to and make your 10 of cups. You don't want 8 empty cups, you want 10 full cups. And this year, with this new beginning, I think it's going to be really good for you. And that's the reason your health is going to be perfect. I don't doubt it at all now. 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Oh my God. The energy is so strong. I've got goosebumps right now, Gemini. Look at this. Spirit is emphasizing 8 of Cups is clarified by the 8 of Cups from a different deck. That's the only thing that you needed to do. Walk away from anything that didn't serve you, with anything that was emotionally upsetting you. And the minute you are walking away from that comes your perfect health, perfect happiness, everything. And Judgment Spirit for Gemini. Oh my God. You're making a choice this year. You are making a choice. I'm going to go into self-care. I'm leaving the 8 empty cups. I'm moving towards my 9 cups, which is self-care, taking care of yourself, your own happiness, your own well-being. And then you get rewarded with the 10 of cups because the universe is granting you good karma. A brand new life. Only because of you making that choice. And Gems, this is your card, isn't it? The Lovers is a Gemini card. So you're making that choice for yourself this time. That no more emotional unhappiness, I'm going to take care of myself. And the minute you take your power back is when the universe gives you 1 more cup and says, hey, you can have it all. So health-wise, touch wood, Gems, I see absolutely no problem. Once you walk away from this past thing which has been keeping you emotionally down, your physical health is going to improve. So, my angel's wealth, oh my God. This is for your wealth. Ace of Cups, something is going to make you really, really happy. But Spirit is saying, whatever this thing is, keep it a secret if possible. Please keep it a secret and be very mindful and very watchful that people don't take advantage or, let's see. Ace of Cups, Spirit, for wealth, for Gemini. Ace of Cups for wealth. You'll have a choice. 2 cards came out which indicate absolutely the same energy. 2 of Pentacles and the 2 of Swords. This is like maybe you have 2 things to do, or you're still torn between 2 maybe lines of business maybe, or 2 jobs or something. You have to choose the one that makes your heart sing. Right now you may be a bit confused, you don't know what to do, but Spirit is saying if you have 2 options, if you can't decide, go with the one that really pulls at your heartstrings, even if it means starting small and starting new, starting from ground zero. Okay, I know some of you may be scared of that. You may be wondering that, will it really work out? Because in the past, maybe you've tried it a couple of times, tried a few things which didn't work out. So you have regrets on that. And right now you do want to start something new, but you're a bit afraid to make that choice. King of Swords, Spirit. King of Swords. My God. You know, this time of healing, this time of thinking, this time of contemplation, whatever self-care you're giving yourself, Gemini, now, it's going to bring you to some kind of a clear decision. There'll be no confusion after that. This fear is going to absolutely run away from your life. That big sword that you're carrying here, it's bringing you a lot of stability and happiness. Queen of Pentacles is the money maker. Doesn't need anything, can just take care of herself or everybody around them, loving, kind, caring, everything. But right now you may be a little confused between two options, or still kind of wondering about this new beginning that you want. Go with your heart, my spirit is saying. Don't be afraid, just take some time out, listen to your guidance, be very clear in your head and just go for it. Anything that makes you happy, happiest. Once you're clear, money is going to flow in. I don't see a problem with that either. Queen of Pentacles is here for you with the King of Swords. So this is clarity in mind and achieving abundance. I just see an initial hesitation here to decide which path to follow. But I think what my angels are saying, this new beginning is already upon you. They're going to be helping you throughout this time. Don't worry about that. They're going to be guiding you, helping you through this journey, and go with whatever gives you happiness this time. Whatever makes you feel ecstatic about your work. So overall happiness for Gemini spirit, what do they need to know? Chariot, Knight of Swords and the Eight of Swords. Okay, so what's this Chariot for their overall energy? Overall happiness? Okay, Eight of Swords. All right, Eight of Swords. See, I told you, gems, you are shutting down some old chapter and starting something new. The new beginning is already upon you, whether you accept it or not. These energies for your happiness are available. The Chariot is polished and ready and waiting and shining. That when is my Gemini going to get on? Because all this fast forward movement is coming for you this year, whether you like it or not. Yes, the only problem is that you are a bit scared of making any rash moves, or going into something too quickly, and you may kind of get stuck once in a while because you're afraid to make this movement. Over planning is also not good, Gemini. I know you want to take your time, think about it. I'm not saying don't think about it, but you need to take action at some point as well. Okay, otherwise your horses are going to get hungry, and then you'll So yes, you'll have to get out of your head now. That's what Spirit is saying for your overall happiness. Listen to your gut, listen to your intuition. It's different from staying in your head. Yes, it's good to take some time out and reflect, but are you listening to your soul, heart, or is it only in your head? Spirit is asking. Sometimes, Gemini, I do notice all air signs, you overanalyze situations too much. So what Spirit is saying, if you want happiness this year, get out of your head and go into your heart space and your emotions, your soul. What does your soul tell you to do? Listen to that more than your head, because otherwise you'll feel trapped and not be able to, just be standing there or not making any movement. Always worried that you're going to, do something rash or do something too quick. But Spirit saying that's not correct, because we've arranged your transportation here. We've arranged this movement for you. We're offering you safe travel, Gemini. It's time now for the new. It's time for the new, to use your emotions in a very healthy way. Give and receive of your emotions this year, and you're going to be perfect. What's this Knight of Cups, Spirit? For their overall happiness? Yes, it's time to be open. So a lot of new opportunities are coming your way, Gemini, whether it's love, whether it's, I don't know what, but whatever emotional or offers that make you happy are coming. Spirit is only telling you one thing. We're sending all these offers to you. Look at all these offers we are going to be sending to you. Will you hold back or will you allow them in? Okay, this is your only, I think, hitch that I've seen in this entire reading. New beginnings are being presented to you. Look at this, new beginning, new beginning. Lord Ganesha says new beginning. Judgment says new beginnings. The only person who can hold back from accepting this is you, gems. Okay, now that you've heard the reading, I hope you'll allow yourself to put this card in reverse and be in surrender and release mode. Allow happiness to flow into your life now. Okay, otherwise, health, perfect. Wealth, yes, you are still in your head about something new, but eventually, if you listen to your gut, if you are going to, where wealth is concerned, use your head. Use your head. We use that very wise head of yours that all Geminis have. Use your head. It's going to make you a lot of money. But where overall happiness is concerned, please get out of your head and go into your high priestess mode. Listen to your soul and listen to your heart. Because all these new beginnings are being presented now to you. It's an end of an old chapter, end of an old year, right? This is our new birthday month that you're going to be beginning. So once again, wishing you all a very, very, very happy birthday, gems. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.